Just installed this Nikita 011 surface mounted camera. So for those that have a Jeep Wrangler, you know the pain of no backup camera. I've added the backup camera, and now I have a front facing camera. I mean, virtually cannot be seen. They say it's completely waterproof. I have my Pioneer set up for what model is it? Whatever it is, the 2330 NEX. So I have this camera, this Pioneer set up for camera mode. When you turn the vehicle on, it automatically goes to the camera. Right now it's the rear camera. My wife drives this vehicle, so she wanted the front camera so she could see in parking. There's the front camera. So yeah, I'm enjoying this front camera. After a couple seconds, front camera kicks on automatically. So there you go. So driving down the road, as you can see, the vision is, my view right now is that up to the straps on the garage door is what I can see over the hood. Here, obviously you see the straps, but all of that is now visible from that front camera. I had a different front camera similar to the back, but I didn't like the way it looked, the way it was mounted. It didn't look clean and professional when I saw this surface mount when I had to try it out. So I really like it so far. So for those of you with a Jeep Wrangler, get yourself a Pioneer that's got the front and rear camera option. Grab you that surface mount camera, and you're good to go. And for those that don't know on a Pioneer, if you hit this, you go back to your stereo, your function, but it pops back into camera mode. If you hit the X, it stays off the rest of your drive. But also, if you hit your volume button or control your stereo, it does go away for 10 or 15 seconds and then pops back into camera mode. Anyway, that's it. Have a good one.